Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we're in Greensboro, North Carolina, and we're at a place called Donut World. If your place is called Donut World, you better have some good donuts. All right, let's go try them out. Come on. Yes? Look at what we've got, guys. Guys, you can go to a donut shop and you can get a donut anywhere. But how many donut shops can you go where you can pick out any donut you want from the cabinet? Then they take the donut over to the ice cream cabinet and put whatever flavor of ice cream you want on top. I'm in donut ice cream sundae heaven. You take two of the greatest things in the world and you put them together. I tell you what, why didn't I think of this sooner? Today we have a buttermilk chocolate covered donut with cookies and cream ice cream on the top. It is not Sunday, but I'm having a donut sundae. And it's good. Oh. Okay, this was a good choice. These flavors go perfectly together. Because what happens is the ice cream then, when it gets with that donut, it just kind of softens it just a little bit. So you got the crunch of this buttermilk donut. I mean, this buttermilk donut is crunchy. But then that ice cream just softens it a little bit. So you got the different textures going on there. The little bit different flavors that complement each other. And that's good ice cream. I mean, it's good quality ice cream. They didn't scrimp. I mean, this is not the generic stuff from Walmart. Breyer's ice cream, good quality ice cream. It doesn't get much better than that. Today we're in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we found this cool little place called Your Mom's Donuts. Look at this place. It's like teeny tiny. Like I can climb on the roof from here. I'm gonna go up here and see what they got. Go with now. I'm gonna go with this lemon one. Let's see here. That lemon flavor is so fresh on that. Imagine drinking a cold glass of lemonade in the summer, but in donut form. Okay, is the lemon donut. I've got to have another bite of the lemon donut. Oh, that thing's so good. That is so good.
Here at Old Time Donuts with my niece, Amelia. And this is your favorite place to eat breakfast? It is. And what kind of is your favorite donut?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? I think I might get chocolate with sprinkles. All right. Look at these donuts we got. Oh, I can't wait to dig into that.
Look at this thing. Can you see all the toppings? And I think I can hide behind this. Look. And the toppings just aren't on just the top. Like, look, they roll down the side. That tells you how, do you see that? The nuts and the chocolate and I can't wait to bite into this. Can't wait to bite into this. This is their specialty. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's so good. I'm gonna turn this over and let you guys see the cinnamon underneath there. Oh, can you see that? The bread is so fluffy and moist.
This is cooked perfectly. Look at this. Oh. Okay, if you get nothing else at Old Time Donuts, you order this.
In Knoxville, Tennessee. And I'm super excited because we are at Status Dough Donuts and Coffee. I hear that they've got the best donuts, that they are not your regular old status quo. All right, let's go try some donuts.
All right, I thought I was done tasting donuts for today, but then my wife had a bite of this blueberry punch. She said, "You've got to try a bite." So I'm gonna try a bite. You know, you gotta twist my arm sometimes. Here we go. This can be messy, but that's okay. That is homemade jelly in there. You can get that out of a jar in the grocery store. That is homemade. Even the donut by itself without the jelly is good. This is so fresh tasting. I just can't believe how good it is. Did you want another bite before I finish it off? That's a good donut. Look all over my face, all over my hand. KFC chicken finger licking good. This is all over your hand licking good. Yum.
Today, we are in Dallas, Texas, the Big D, and we are at Hypnotic Donuts. This place has some of the most creative donuts anywhere on the planet. I can't wait to try them. I just want to dive into that. We came here to Hypnotic Donuts. There was no way I was coming to this unique donut shop and ordering a glazed donut, a chocolate covered donut. You know, I wasn't going to get something really simple. No. They have something called the Jenny's Evil Elvis. Here we go, guys. Guys, should I pick it up? Or should I fork it? I'm picking it up. We're just going for it. We are going, oh my word. That is the heaviest donut I think I've ever picked up. That means it has a lot of topping on it. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so you got the sweetness of the donut at the bottom. You've got the sweetness of the banana and the sweetness of the honey in the middle. So you got 3 layers of sweetness. Then you've got the layer of the peanut butter in the middle. That peanut butter and the bacon both give it a little bit of salty. So you got that salty, sweet. It's just a combination of flavors that is just, Elvis would be proud. Elvis would be proud.
Yeah, peanut butter, bacon, banana, and honey. It's not for everybody, but you know, the people who really like it, they live by it, they come back for it every week.
As I'm sitting here eating this donut that Elvis would be so proud of, I'd like to remind you, everybody, that Elvis is a subscriber to the channel. Thank you. And you should be a subscriber to the channel just like Elvis. So click that subscribe button down below. Also, hit the notification bell because you never know when we're going to be in your area, and we don't want you to miss any of our videos. Also, click that like button. It really does help the channel. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.